Warm welcome to the course Unconventional Measuring Process. Today we are going to solve one problem in ultrasonic machining process. The problem is, find out the approximate time required to machine a hole of diameter equal to 6 mm in a tungsten carbide plate. Fracture hardness is 6900 Newton per millimeter square of thickness equal to 1.5 times of hole diameter. The mean abrasive grain size is 0.015 mm diameter. The feed force is equal to 3.5 Newton. The amplitude of tool oscillation is 25 micron and the frequency is equal to 25 kHz. The tool material used is copper having fracture hardness equal to 1.5 into 10 power 3 Newton per millimeter square. The slurry contains 1 part abrasive to 1 part of water. Take the values of different constant as K1 is 0.3, K2 is 1.8 millimeter square and K3 is 0.6, abrasive density as 3.8 gram per centimeter cube. Also calculate the ratio of volume removed by throwing mechanism to the volume removed by hammering mechanism. Note down the given data. Hole diameter 6 mm is 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Fracture hardness of work material sigma tau u is 6900 Newton per millimeter square, which is converted into Newton per meter square as 6.9 in 10 power 9. Plate thickness is 1.5 times of hole diameter. Mean abrasive grain size is 0.015, which is written as 1.5 in 10 power minus 5 meter. Feed force F 3.5 Newton. Amplitude of tool oscillation A by 2 is 25 micron, that is 25 in 10 power minus 6 meter. Frequency of oscillation F is 25,000 cycles per second. Fracture hardness of tool material is 1.5 in 10 power 9 Newton per meter square. J value is 4.6 and the constants K1 as 0.3, K2 as 1.8 millimeter square and K3 is 0.6. Abrasive density rho A is 3.8 gram per centimeter cube, written as 3.8 in 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. Now we move to the step number 1. Determine the value of H for throwing model. In ultrasonic machining process, the depth of penetration in the workpiece due to throwing is given as HDS, which is equal to pi A FD square root of rho A by 6 sigma tau u. Substituting all the values in the above equation, now we get HDH is equal to 1.78 into 10 power minus 5 millimeter. Step number 1B. Determine the value of H for hammering model. In USM process, H tau u is equal to square root of 4F average AD by pi K2 sigma tau u into lambda plus 1. Substituting all the values in the equation, we get H tau u is equal to 2.192 into 10 power minus 4 millimeter. Step number 2A. Calculate VTH. We know that volume removed by throwing mechanism is given as VTH is K1 into K2 into K3 multiplied by square root of HT cube by D into F. Substituting all the values and solving, we get VTH is 4.97 in 10 power minus 3 millimeter cube per second. Step 2B. Calculate VH. Volume removed by hammering action is given as VH is K1 into K2 into K3 square root of H tau u cube by D into F. Substituting all the values and solving the equation, we get VH is 0.2146 millimeter cube per second. Step 3. Time required to drill a hole. We know the time required to drill a hole is volume of hole to be drilled by volumetric MRR. Substitute the value, we get time required to drill a hole is 19.289 minutes. Step number 4. Now the ratio of VTH to VH is to be obtained by substituting the corresponding values and find that ratio is 0.023. Thus, it is evident that the material removed by hammering is much more than by throwing model. Hence, for approximate calculation, VTH can be ignored as compared to VH. Thanks for watching this video. Active learning and happy machining. We can see the next machining process in next video. Thank you.